What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am still here in Dollar Tree. Yep, I'm still here. I'm finding so many new items this week, so many yummy items. I've been looking at food and I'm hungry, so I'm like looking at everything. But yeah, we have so many new things to look at. This week we have some Hello Pandas, the banana chips. Those are so good. I think I might want to get some more of them. They are a little bit smashed looking. I think this is the brand I got before. White cheddar green pea snacks. We have Southern style barbecue. Ooh, those sound really good. The cranberries are back. We have wisps. I know those are super popular. We have yogurt covered cranberries, 2.75 ounces in a bag. That cart's getting full. What else do we have? Cheese puffs, mac and cheese. We have the cheddar and sour cream munch rights. We have brand new barbecue baked puffs. What are these? Nacho chipotle. Tons of stacks. Cheddar jack Cheez-Its. We also have hot and spicy Cheez-Its. We have combos. Let's look over here on this side. Ritz fresh stacks. Cracker Jacks. Chex Mix Muddy Buddies. Those are new. Simply Granola. My favorite, Ranch Corn Nuts. Yum yum. Love those so much. Taco Supreme and sizzling bacon sunflower seeds. I showed these in my last video. You guys, these are brand new this week. The Oreo Most Stuff. You get 4 cookies in a pack. My store also has the Pepperos. And we have the sea salt premium roasted seaweed, as well as some teriyaki roasted seaweed. Okay, this is 5 grams. And this one is also 5 grams. The Haribo gummies. I want to go back down this one other aisle. The brand new Tampico drink mixes. These are brand new this week. Let's see if we have any other new chips. Kettle cooked potato chips. What are these? Good natured spinach, carrot, and tomato vegetable chips. We also have ranch. Okay. Oyster crackers. These are pretty big. It smells really good back here. I'm kind of back by the fabric sheets. It smells amazing back here. The Yan Yans cracker stick with dip. We have strawberry cream, and we also have chocolate cream. I got some of those for my kids and put them in their Easter baskets. They really liked them. I got the strawberry one. Also this week, you guys, don't forget, but we do have the Lucky Charms, the Fruity Lucky Charms, the Minion cereals, the Lucky Charm Frosted Flakes. Yes, I think I'm gonna get a couple of those again. I mean, where else can you go and just spend $2 even and get 2 family size boxes of cereal? Like, it's such a great deal. My other store had a few other varieties, but I mean, this is a great deal. And look, you guys, she has more of the Cocoa Puff Brownie Crunch cereal on her cart, and we got some of those last week, and my kids really liked those as well. I want to take you guys over by some impulse buy items really quick before I check out, because I'm about to be leaving soon. I have been here for a long time. Okay, let's see what we have up here. We have the super cute pens. Oh, the little mermaid pens are back. The jiggly mermaid pens, the super cute coin purses, the little pinwheels.
A little girl?
No.
Okay.
We have the little hand sanitizers. The roses? Oh, the pen. Yeah, I saw those. Those are really pretty. Thank you. We have unicorns. Oh, this one is new. Love. We have the Little Mermaid. Oh, look, you guys. We have Sweet Tart popsicles. We have peanut brownie Snickers. We have Twix cookie and cream. What else? These are so cute. Okay, let's see if we have anything amazing over here. I've been buying those full-size gums lately from here, and I totally don't need any more. You guys, they had the cutest Mother's Day bear balloon in one of my other stores. I don't see it here. They have the super cute pink flower, but they had the cutest Mother's Day bear balloon. Like, I wanted it. I didn't get it, but I wanted it. It was so cute. Do you ever just see something and you're like, I just need that, I want that? These are also new this week. We also have the Kitchen Genie peelers, and then also brand new by Betty Crocker are these avocado tools. I have no idea how to use it, but I want to get one. I want to try it out just for fun. And then lately they've been adding a lot of new styluses and a lot of new little phone rings with the straps. These are definitely brand new. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have the little pop socket dupes. This is my first time seeing these. We have the flamingo one. We have pineapples. We have palm trees. What else? The leaves. I'm really loyal to pop sockets, so I'm curious to try one of these out, but chances are I probably won't like it. But I'm kind of curious and I do want to try it out. We have these. These are super cute. The little phone ring with the straps. Those are really adorable. Anyways, you guys, I think I'm done filming in here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.